Hello everybody, this is a demo video of our new product called Electropedia. Electropedia is nothing but a complete reference of electronics in a single CD. The name Electropedia comes from the word electronics and encyclopedia. In this CD, everything is subdivided into several categories like devices, laws and theorem, communication, latest trends, measurements and instruments, microprocessors. For example, you want to know about a particular component called resistor, click the device, there you select the resistor. In the resistor, lot of types of resistor will be displayed. You can select the particular type to view its description. Now we are checking both fixed and variable resistors in the device zone. Not only resistors, it deals with all the components called diode, SCR, transistor. What are the components available in the electronics? Now we are checking the diode in the particular diode, and it's checking light emitting diode, and it shows how a light emitting diode works, and not only light emitting diode but all the categories of diodes. Here in the screen you can see symbols are there. You can select the particular symbol to select the particular component, where you can able to view the description of the components. Now it's time to check laws and theorems available in the electronics. This zone deals with Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, Thevenin's theorem, and what are the laws available in the electronic, both electrical and the magnetic laws. Now we are checking one of the law called Kirchhoff's law, where you can able to get the description about the particular law. If you are not satisfied only about the laws and theorems and device and components, there is one more zone called circuits, where you can able to see what are the circuits available in the electronics with the description, like power supply, oscillators, multivibrators. In oscillators, we can able to get the information about all type of oscillators like astable, Hartley, monostable, and filters also. I don't want to say this Electropedia deals only with electronics, but also microprocessor and microcontrollers also. Here you can see in the screen. Now we have selected, want to know information about 8086 microprocessor. It is available in the zone called processor. I selected 8086 microprocessor and 8051 microcontroller also. Not only the description, it deals also with the sample programs of the particular microprocessor and the microcontroller. Now let us go for the electrical zone. It is also a very interesting concept of electronics. A small concept of electrical also discussed here, where it will be dealing about the electrical principle, machines like motors, generators, basic principle of electricity, etc. Well, right now we'll go for communication. After checking all the electronics, now it's time to check the communication systems. In this zone, it deals complete information about the modulation, demodulation, both the analog and digital, transmitters, working principle, receivers, radars, not even radars, antennas also. In antennas, all the types of antennas available. So this zone deals completely about the communication technologies, both the theoretical, diagrammatical, and the mathematical form. One thing has been clearly indicated in Electropedia. It not only deals only with analog electronics, but also digital electronics. This section of Electropedia deals complete information about digital electronics, right from number system to gates, flip-flops, counters, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter. Now with the screen we can see it dealing about the counters. Even though we have covered both analog and digital electronics, unless measurement instrument is not yet covered, the purpose of Electropedia is not fulfilled. In measurement and instrument section, it deals with complete analog and digital instruments used for electrical and electronic measurements. For example, in analog instruments, it deals with bridges, analog ohm meter, analog multimeters. In digital instrument section, it deals with digital voltmeter, frequency counters, digital multimeters with the diagrams and the working principle.